Hi, this is Naeem Hussain. Today I'd like to talk about the use of none. None is such a word that takes both singular and plural verb with it, but it depends on the noun that it follows. Let's see how none is used in different sentences. The first one that we see here, that is none of the, and after that if it is singular count noun or non-count noun, then it will take singular verb. So you could say, none of the gossip was about me. So here we could see that the gossip is non-count noun or uncountable noun. As a result, it takes singular verb. So none of the gossip was about me. It means not a single part of the gossip was about me, not a single part, right? And then none of the snow has melted. Here the snow is non-count noun, so it takes singular verb. So you could say none of the snow has melted. It means not a single part of the snow has melted yet. Am I right? So the snow, as it is non-count noun, that it will take singular verb. And then none of the teacher. Here teacher is singular count noun, so it takes singular verb. None of the teacher has done the job. Not a single teacher has done the job. So none could take both singular and plural verb, but it depends on the noun that it follows, right? None has no control over the verb. Here verb is controlled by singular count noun and non-count noun. Now let's see, none of the and then plural count noun. As it is plural count noun, then it will take plural verb. So you could say none of the players have performed well. So not everybody, not a single player have performed well. And then none of the students have finished the exam yet. As the students is, I think it is plural, so it takes plural verb. None of the players, as it is plural, so it takes plural verb. So what could be the verb? It actually depends on the noun. If it is plural, then it takes plural verb, and if it is singular, then it takes singular verb. So when we try to make sentences in English or speak in English, then you need to be very much careful about this, that what we are going to use after none. And remember that none can take both singular and plural verb, and that depends on the noun that it follows. If it is singular or non-count noun, then it will follow the singular verb or take singular verb. But if it is plural count noun, then it will take plural verb. And that's how we can use it smartly. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel or like our page for getting updates. Thanks once again. Goodbye.